All right, let's dive right in. Today we are tackling one of the single biggest headaches in the cloud, just trying to get a handle on your spending. We're going to break down cost allocation strategies that'll help you turn that massive, confusing monthly bill into a genuinely powerful tool for your business. Let's get to it.
Okay, before we get started, just a quick heads up. This is Module 9 of our 20-module tutorial, FinOps 101. It's all based on a comprehensive report by Virtualization Options LLC. Now remember, this is for general guidance only, it comes with no warranty, and it's definitely not legal or financial advice. So, as always, we highly recommend you chat with your own financial and legal pros before you take any action.
So, we've all been there, right? You open up your cloud bill, and the number is just big. Maybe way bigger than last month. But what does that number actually mean? Which teams, what projects, which new features are actually driving that cost up? For way too many companies, the honest answer is just a shrug.
And that's really the core of the problem. Without a clear strategy, your cloud bill feels like a total black box. You know, a ton of money is going in, but you have zero visibility into what's actually happening on the inside. And let's be honest, it is impossible to manage what you can't even see.
I mean, imagine getting a company credit card statement and it just has one single line item for thousands of dollars that just says stuff. How on earth would you budget? How would you know if that spending was even effective? Well, that's exactly what an unallocated cloud bill is. It gives you the grand total, but it tells you absolutely nothing about the story behind it. This is where cost allocation comes into play. It's basically the process of flipping on the lights inside that black box. It's all about assigning every single dollar of that cloud spend to a specific owner, giving you the clarity you desperately need to start making smart decisions.
And I really want you to listen to this quote from our source material, because it's a big one. It says that good cost allocation is often the single most impactful step you can take. That is an incredibly powerful statement. This isn't about tiny incremental savings. We're talking about a fundamental game changer for getting your cloud costs under control.
So what is it, really? Well, simply put, it's just connecting the dots. It's attributing every single cloud resource, every virtual machine, every storage bucket, all of it, to the specific team or the project or the application that's actually using it.
So, okay, if allocation is the goal, what's the first step you need to take? It all comes down to one simple but incredibly powerful concept: resource tagging. You can really think of tags as the DNA of cost allocation. Without them, the entire system just completely falls apart. So a tag is just a label, a simple key-value pair that you attach to a cloud resource. But this simple little label provides critical business context. It transforms some generic, anonymous server into the server for the Q1 marketing campaign owned by the marketing team. See? All of a sudden, it has an owner and a purpose.
So what's the game plan? Well, as you can see, it starts with defining your schema. That just means deciding on a consistent set of tags that are mandatory. Next, and this part is absolutely critical, you have to implement automated policies to enforce that schema. Why? Because trusting people to do it manually at scale, well, it's just never going to work. It always leads to gaps. After that, you go back and fix your old resources, build out your reports, and finally, use all that great data to drive some real accountability.
Because that is the end goal, right? Tagging gives you visibility, but visibility all by itself doesn't save you a dime. The real power comes when you use that visibility to drive action and create accountability across your entire organization.
And there are two main ways to do this. First, there's showback. You can think of this as the gentle approach. You simply show teams what they're spending. It makes cost a topic of conversation. Then you have chargeback, which is way more direct. You actually bill their department's budget for their cloud usage. This creates the strongest possible financial incentive for them to be efficient.
So which one is right for you? Honestly, it really depends on your company culture. Is your organization ready for direct internal billing? Or would starting with just visibility and having conversations be a more effective first step? There's no single right answer here, but it's a super important question to think about.
Now, of course, it's not always as simple as just tagging a single server. A really common challenge is figuring out what to do with shared resources. Things like networking or central security tools that benefit everyone. The source material highlights a few common ways to handle this. You could split the cost proportionally based on usage, or you could divide it equally among all the teams, or you could just treat it as a central business overhead. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but the most important thing is to pick a method and then apply it consistently and transparently.
All right, let's wrap this up with the key takeaways. First, allocation gives you that crucial visibility into who is spending what. Second, tagging is the foundation that makes the whole thing possible. Third, showback and chargeback are your best tools for driving accountability. And finally, this whole process lets you spend smarter and create budgets that aren't just a wild guess.
And this brings us to our final and maybe the most important question. Just think about this for a second. If you don't know the true infrastructure cost of a product or a feature, how can you ever really know if it's profitable? Ultimately, cost allocation isn't just about saving money. It's about understanding the fundamental economics of your business in the cloud.